Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. If you're here for the first time, I'm Emmanuel and I make videos about toys and stuff. For today's episode, we're gonna make another Hexa Gear video. We are going to we're gonna review the Early Governor Volume 1. This guy right here. So we are done with the building. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, and share. Do whatever you guys can to show some love and support. It's time for this Early Governor. Actually comes in two different colors. Hexa Gear likes to do this. They like to come up with different variations of the same models, so you can just give them your money. One of the things that I like about this governor is that it actually comes with a lot of equipment. I mean a lot. You have 5 different heads, you have too many hands to count, you have a few weapons including the assault rifle, the bullpup rifle, the submachine gun, the handguns, and the knife. You have the holsters, and you also have the Alice pack right here. Speaking of Alice pack, I actually have no idea what it means. I was like, why do they call it the Alice pack? Turns out that it actually means all purpose lightweight individual carrying equipment. Things that can be improved is the joints. Okay, if you look at the older models, the hand or the arms or the legs or in this case it will be the neck for this guy right here, it needs to be glued on and it can just fall off like that. You also need a stand because this guy right here, he has an Alice pack. So if you don't have a stand, for example, if you don't have a stand right here, you can just fall back just like that, and you can see he's reaching out his arm right here. Be like, hey man, help me. I'm like, sorry bro, you gotta stand by yourself. Whoa. One more thing, guys, this governor doesn't come with an archive card. Come on man, I've been collecting all of these amazing cards. Why don't you give me one? Why? ¿Por qué? No lo sé. Alright, that's all for today. Guys, for the next episode, well actually I'm gonna start my next episode here with wet wipes. Oh, over here. Once a year, or once or twice a year, I would actually open it up. And check out some of these toys from the 90s that I grew up with. What do we have? Oh man, we've got a bunch of stuff here. So we have, okay, this guy right here. Ooh. This is a Kamen Rider or Mask Riders. I think I'll have to do an episode on this one. Oh my goodness, let's check this out.